Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Hey, digital art students. So our first project was to um, draw something using any app for digital design. Anything that shared how you were feeling. So this is my first period for students who turned theirs in. So if you can see the different expressions that they used and different types of drawing or um, designs to express that. So that's my first period. And here's my second period. I put them as anonymous. So um, these are all different apps, and some people actually did photography. And I had a student who did 3D art, and that's totally fine. And this is fourth period. So just these are just like the top 10 or 12 students who turned theirs in. At first. So you can see the variety of different expressions expressing how you feel. So for from now for today, Monday, um, I'd like you to take a look at your own class. I'm going to put your own class to view, and I just want you to pick one. Let's think about this one first period. So I want you to pick one to write about. For example, one that you might, you know, like, oh, this one's interesting. I think you could add more of this. So let me pick this one right here. So the one that says worried. So it's interesting to me because it makes me wonder, why are they worried, or how can they express that through their art. So I'm gonna say I like the one where it says worried. I am wondering if they can add something in the background to express what they're worried about, like symbols or an action taking place in the background. Okay, so I want you to take a look at these pictures based on your own art class, digital design art class, and you're gonna write a comment below in Google Classroom. Just pick one, you can describe it and then explain how you wonder what if they can do something else to it. If you want to pick one that's really good, like let's say we can pick this one right here. Very well done in fourth period. So this one's I wouldn't change anything, but I could say I really like the one with anime. I wonder if they have other characters or if they're gonna continue a story with that character. Okay, this one's really good too. So I could say I really like the one with um, the lonely guy with the hoodie and face mask. I wonder if um, they're going to add I don't know, another character behind, or if I wonder if what app they used. So something like that, even if you think it's a good design. So please go ahead and comment below under class comments. And that's all you need to do for Monday's assignment. So I really encourage you guys to do this so you can help each other. And for the next assignment, I'm going to have you guys do like a second version of what you already drew, and it's going to be improved. So it could be a second character, or it could be a second, feeling towards how you're feeling now. So that's it.